with Candy and Miss Krissy.
Hey Candy, look! It's Simba, Nala, and Pumba. Oh, and I think I see Rafiki up there.
Hi everybody! What are we doing today? Well, we heard there were some cars around here and we've never driven before. We thought it might be fun to drive some cars. Ooh, I'd love to drive a red car.
And my favorite color's green, like the bugs I eat.
Well, it just so happens that we might be able to help you. Take a look at what's behind you. Ooh, what is that big building with all the doors?
That's a garage. That's where they keep all their cars. But how do we get them out?
Miss Krissy, can you help us? I sure can, Candy. What do you need? Can you help us get the cars out of the garage?
Sure. So they want to play with cars, do they? I'll teach them a lesson they'll never forget about playing with cars.
Rafiki sees buttons. That's true, Rafiki. I see the buttons too on the top there. I wonder what would happen if I opened these doors. There's one car. There's two cars. Ooh, and three. But how do we get them out of there? Maybe if I push the buttons on top, it'll get the cars out. Ooh, let me push the buttons. You want to push them, Simba? Oh, yes, I would love to push the buttons. Okay, go for it. By the way, guys, if you saw the Lion King movie and liked it as much as we did, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to our channel so you'll see when we release more Lion King videos. All right, Simba, go ahead, push the first button. I do green first. Woo! There goes the green car. Okay, Simba, how about the teal one? Woohoo! And now the red one. Nice. Good job, Simba. Thanks. It looks like we have a green car and a teal car and a red car.
I want to drive the green one.
Go for it, Pumba. Can I drive the red one? Sure, Nala, go ahead. Thank you. And I'll take the teal one. Are we ready for the race? Drivers, on your mark, get set.
Stop! I stopped this race!
Eek! Oh no!
Ah! I'm afraid of Scar!
Ah, it's my uncle! Hide! Hide!
So much for their race. I'm gonna go take a nap.
That mean old Scar, he scared them away. Yeah, he's so uncool. Let's open the doors and let them back out. Okay, let's open these and get them. Guys, the doors seem to be locked. Does anybody know where the keys are? There are keys? I didn't know there were keys. Me neither. I haven't seen any keys. How about Rafiki? Did anybody ask him? No, but we can. Rafiki, have you seen any keys? Rafiki see keys. Rafiki see keys on buttons. Oh, these are keys? Let's see here. Oh my goodness, they come off. And it looks like they have shapes on them, like the doors. Maybe these are keys. You want to try one out? Let's try the green one first and see if we can unlock the door. Oh, It's unlocking. It worked. Let's see if I can pull it now. Yes, and whoa! There's surprises inside. We have a Roblox Series 5 blind box. And we have a Lion King figural bag clip.
Let's take a good look at this bag clip first. On the back, it says we can get adult Simba, adult Nala, Scar, Pumba, Rafiki, young Nala, Timon, Hula Timon, Zazu, and 2 exclusive mystery figures. Last time we got Zazu. I wonder who we're going to get this time.
And inside, ooh, it's a brown clip, which is different than the last one. Oh, yay! We got Hula Timon. I love it. He looks great in his hula skirt and his lei and his flowers on his head. That's a great bag clip. Let's see what Roblox figure we got. He definitely has a lot of parts to him. Let's put him together. Do you know who he might be? If you've opened any Series 5 Roblox and you know what character this is, put it in the comments below. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work my magic and put him together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cool! He looks like a magician. I'm gonna have to look him up. He's got the purple cape with the stars on it like a magician, and he's definitely got the beard and the hat and the staff like one. Let me go see what this guy's name is. There he is. We got Loderman23. Well, guys, I'm a little worried because there's no car and no Pumba. Little concerning, but I'll open the next door and see if we find anybody in there. It unlocked. And, ooh, a Tic Tac toy. I love opening these. Did you guys see our last video when we opened them? You really should. I'll put the link to it up here.
Tic Tac toy. XOXO friends. And there's Addie and Maya, 2 cuties. I love watching Tic Tac toy videos.
What else do we have in here? Hatchimals Hatch Bright, Season 4. Let's open the Hatchimals first. Our egg is orange and purple with a little bit of pink. It's got a purple heart with a star in the middle of it, and it has teal polka dots all over it. Let's warm our heart. Get it all warmed up so we can open it. It's turning pink. Is it ready to push yet? Not quite yet. Keep warming. Ooh, the heart's all nice and pink now. That's cool. Push. Oop. Hatch our egg. Who do we have in here? I see white. Aww. It's a little panda bear. It's mostly white, but has yellow around the eyes and the ears and on its legs and little paws. It's also holding a strawberry, if you can see that, and it has beautiful silver glittery wings. Look at that face. There she is. She's in the Radiant Reef, and she's right there. Her name is Radiant Pandor. And she's sitting on a raft. See the little raft? And when you light it up from the bottom, the raft lights up. Let's see what Addie and Maya have for us.
Inside is 1 friend, 1 wing, and 1 bracelet. 1, 2, 3 blind bags. And, of course, the checklist, which we saw last time. We'll look at it again when we see who our friend is.
Let's see. First blind bag is the wings. Ooh, look at these wings. Very dark and mysterious. And kind of cool. Let's see who our friend is. I'm a little curious. It looks like it's yellow through the bag. It is yellow. Look who we got, everybody! It's Maya! And she has a place on the back where we can put her little wings. There we go. Hi, Maya! I love the fact that their heads move. These are so cute, these little friends. Let's see what bracelet we got. Ooh, hot pink. And this time it says XOXO on it. So we got Maya O with the black wings. All right, well, we have one more door to open, but I don't see our friends anywhere, and I'm getting a little worried. Maybe they're all behind this door? Let's open it and see. Uh-oh. There's nobody in this store. What do we do now? Rafiki no magic. Well, okay, Rafiki, if you want to give it a try, go right ahead. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's not exactly what I was expecting, but look, we have more surprises to open. Looks like we have a Nanables. Your world, your way, milk and cookie mill. Ooh, this one is fun. If you guys haven't seen these before, if you look through that little hole, you get to see a little picture inside. And I think you can see part of it through the camera, which is pretty cool. But you can see it from both sides. See, there it is again. Let's open this one up. So you get a little nano. Look how tiny this is. And so cute. She's smiling, and she's got a little gingerbread man on her chest. And this is the little gingerbread house. Isn't it adorable? It has the door and the little mill on the side with a chocolate chip cookie on top. And it's got a little porch on the back. It's really kind of cute. And if you pull out the checklist, there's another nano underneath. This one has red hair and purple body, and she's got a little chocolate chip cookie on her chest. According to our checklist, we got Ginger Bee and Cinnamon. And on the back here, it says that we got the Milk and Cookie Mill. Now, what in the world is this surprise? Ooh, it's a Floofy's fluffy surprise. And listen, when you pull the tail, you hear that? It's singing.
It says, pull my tail. Floofies, why are they so cuddly and cute? Floofies are made with the fun colors of the rainbow and the softness of clouds. And it says on the back, number 1 is to pull, 2 is to play, 3 is to party. You can pull the tail for a surprise, they giggle and wiggle with delight, and you can collect all of the friends so that you can party together. Inside is 1 Floofy plush and 1 Floofy card. And on the side here, it shows all the different Floofies you can get. And at the very bottom is the rare unicorn. Ooh, I wonder if we got the rare unicorn. That would be super cool.
All right, let's see what's in here. I can't wait. I hope it's the unicorn. But you know what? Any of them are really cute. I'd be happy with whichever one we get. Oh, it looks like we got a little fluffy puppy dog. I'm gonna have to work some of my magic and get him out of here. Oh, he is so soft, guys. Oh, these are so adorable. And look, you get to pull his tail. This is so cute. He shakes and makes noises. He's adorable and so soft.
And from his card, it says, we got Poopy. Poopy is energetic, fun, and playful. He likes to run and swim. Poopy's favorite food is peanut butter. You can find him at Floof Beach swimming and playing games.
Well, Rafiki, the toys were great and all, but how does that help us get our friends back? Open door. Open the doors? Yes. Okay, we'll open the doors. Oh my goodness! They're back! They're really back! Thank you, Rafiki! You are welcome. I'm so glad you're back, guys. So am I. That scar can be very scary. So what did everybody think about all of our toy surprises today? What was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I think my favorite was the Floofy puppy. He's so soft, and I love the little noises he makes when you pull his tail. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you'd like to see more videos, remember to subscribe to our channel. And also click on that bell so that you'll know when we release them. And if you want to see more videos now, just click on one of the pictures at the end of this video. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye! Are you all ready for your race? On your marks, get set, go! If you'd like to see another video, just click on one of the pictures below.